Hornbeam, Carpinus Betulus, is a huge, appealing tree local to the UK. The apple-green, creased foliage becomes yellow and orange in fall. This is in many cases hung on the tree during winter. Green catkins show up in spring and winged nuts, called samaras, foster in pre-winter. Hornbeams have a pyramidal shape that later turns out to be more adjusted. Instructions to grow hornbeam trees. For best results, grow hornbeam in any soggy however well-depleted soil in full sun to half shade. Grow a hornbeam tree in any damp yet well-depleted soil, in full sun or fractional shade. No pruning is vital. It's ideal as a component of a blended woodland planting plan. The most effective method to plant a hornbeam tree. Stand the tree in water to guarantee its roots are moist. Dig a square opening that is somewhat more extensive than the pot your tree is in, yet all at once no more profound. Delicately fork the base and sides of the opening to guarantee the soil isn't compacted. Eliminate the pot from container-grown trees and any wrapping from exposed root ones. Coax out and loosen up any revolving around roots. Stand the tree in the planting opening, then, at that point, lay a stick across the opening to really look at the highest point of the root ball, or the dim soil blemish on uncovered root trees, is level with the soil surface. Inlay around the root ball with the exhumed soil, shaking the tree a little to assist the soil with settling around the roots. Utilize your heel to firm delicately generally around the root ball and guarantee there is great contact between the roots and the soil. On the off chance that planting in an uncovered site, stake the tree to forestall wind rock, which can tear the roots and make a hole around the foundation of the storage compartment that can load up with water and support decay. The stake ought to be about 33% of the level of the tree, pounded in at a 45 degrees point. Append the storage compartment to the stake utilizing a movable tree tie. Water the tree completely, then, at that point, keep it watered during droughts for basically the primary year. Step-by-step instructions to propagate hornbeams. Hornbeam can be propagated by means of seeds. So whenever of year, germination can require as long as a year. Plant meagerly on the outer layer of wet seed fertilizer, seal in a polythene pack. Place in a virus outline or protected piece of the nursery. Transplant the seedlings when sufficiently huge to deal with into little, individual pots. Grow on in a shielded spot.